Hey there, YouTube. It's Justin the Junkie. How the fuck are you guys doing today? So today, what we are going to do is Bill, my buddy Bill, it was time to service his truck again. And he brought me, all the oil and grease. I didn't think we needed to shoot that video again. But what he did bring me is there was a box of these LED lights. Now, to me, I already know what these are fucking for. He never said anything about this. So again, I'm gonna use this lump 3 feet above my ass, and I am gonna say, I bet he wants these as fucking reverse lights. You know, he does work night shift out there. Bill is an absolute great dude. I love Bill. No homo or anything like that. And so I thought it would be a good video to show you guys how to hook this up. And then we also had some other dumbass in the goddamn comments section ask me, why in the hell would you buy a mag drill and what is it used for? So I thought today would be a perfect video. So, we're in 2018 and some dumbass doesn't know what a mag drill is. I mean, I'm fucking shocked, So I thought, hey, I will show you what this mag drill is for, okay? And how useful a tool it is in the dump truck business. I'm not out here just throwing good money after bad. I'm buying shit that A, makes my job easier, and B, you know what I'm saying, is fucking awesome, and everybody should have one. Fuck! You know what I'm saying? Like, what in the fuck doesn't know what a mag drill is for? I mean, dude, seriously. Whoever left that comment, it's in the mag drill video. Go back and ask this guy if he's a dumb fuck. All right? So, anyway, we'll get turned around here. I'll get you guys set up, and I'll show you how I'm going to drill this use this mag drill to drill the mounting holes for where the reverse lights are. Now, how I'm going to tie the reverse lights in is I'm going to rob power off the backup beeper. These things don't pull very many amps. The backup beeper gets 12 volts. It's not going to make anything any different. That's how I plumb mine off, is off the backup beeper. So as soon as that turns on, it gets power. It's relayed. It's all that stuff. It has a fuse on it. So, you just splice into that fucker and go about your day. But anyway, I'll show you guys how I'm going to drill this shit here and show you that it's going to make easier work. Because we have one or two options. We get out our 18-volt hand drill, okay, and we fucking throttle the fuck out of this thing and burn up some drill bits, get fucking injured, because on this particular truck, it's we're drilling through half-inch plate, and I bet this shit is hard as a wedding dick, okay? So, I just think that this is a lot better system. So let's get it shoved around here, and I'll fucking show you guys this. I got my mag drill set up. Now I'm going to run this the opposite way. It doesn't really matter. This is what a mag drill is for. So this is how you turn your power on and off, so you can fucking move it. So we want it about... We want it hidden up in there. Now what I'm doing, okay, is I'm just using the mag drill. Now it does have an LED light on here, okay? We'll back this off. What we want to do is just get a little oil on our drill bit. All right, we're going to turn this on. Now this fucker is loud as fuck. Okay, so as you can see, we already drilled that hole. Now what we do is we have this bracket that the bolt goes down through, right fucking here. Ooh. Alright, so there's that. We're going to obviously put some different bolts in there because they're a little fucking long. But there's one hole drilled. Now what we'll do is we'll come over here. We have to flip the mag drill around. But you can see how easily we drilled that hole through 1/2-inch plate. You know, like if you had to, basically, this is a miniature Bridgeport milling machine. Okay, it's basically what the fuck this is. It's a mobile Bridgeport milling machine. Okay, now as you can see here, we got shit all over. All right. Okay, now what we want to do is turn it around over here, and we're going to drill that hole. And right here is our backup beeper. So we have power and ground. So what we'll do is we will splice into this, make ourselves a jumper, and then we'll get it all hooked up. But again, I'll come over here and I'll show you how how easy this is to drill these fucking holes. What I will tell you is this mag drill is heavy as fuck. So what I want to do is come over here a little bit. Alright, there we go. So what's cool about this is, again, it's 2 speeds, and we can, drill over here. Okay, I don't like where that is, so I'm going to pull this out just a little bit. Alright. Alright, so you can see what's cool about this drill is you can move this chuck, So let's go ahead and drill this out. Alrighty, as you can tell, we did not fuck up any drill bits, Let me get this out of here. Alright, now this took probably about a 30-minute job of me getting shit in my fucking face, alright, and all that stuff, and fucking up my drill bit. But as you can see, my drill bit's not all fucked up. We have a perfect hole up in there. So, it works out pretty good. And like I said, this thing has this, 1/2-inch chuck that comes with it. So you can do angular bits or whatever. But that's angular there. So, again, fucking awesome. Made quick work of that. So now I'm going to get you guys, I'm going to go get everything we need to splice all this stuff together. Think about how I want to do this, and have these backup lights on here, and I'll show you how it works once we get it all connected together here. Alrighty, we're gonna put our bolts down in there. This is for whatever they got going on here. To bolt these brackets for these holders in there. So what I want to do is leave that loose first. Okay, and I'm going to put that in there. And then what these get is this little lock washer and this type of washer. And then we'll just screw this in there. Now, I don't like to make these tight yet. because just, you know, I want to have them angled down. So we got to get this started, and it's just a little bit easier because we have this like this. I mean, look at this shit. This Chinese shit don't even fucking fit. So let's run this down. We want that like that. Alright, now you can see what you want them angled down for is the guys on the pavers will get pretty fucking pissed if this shit is fucking, you know, shining in their face. So I always have them angled down like that. Alright, take our stubby. Oh, you bastard. Okay. Now we need a 1/2-inch wrench, but you can see we'll just get this one started over here. Has these little tabs on there, but doesn't fucking work. Let me see something. Yeah, see, that should be like that. Yeah. Yep, we're gonna need a wrench. There's that. Then we'll just you bastard. There we go. Okay. I don't like that. We gotta angle it just a smidgen. Alright, it seems once you get it started, so we're just gonna run this up just a little bit. Alright. Too tight. Okay. So, you got how those go on there. You know, again, it's kind of self-explanatory here. You know, you guys should be able to figure it out. Alright, so that's that. What I will do is I'll come back here in a little bit when we're getting this hooked up. So as you can see here, I got power there. I'm going to splice into there. I'm going to run 2 jumpers out of there. Well, I'll show it to you once we get it. Okay, so what had happened is I kind of figured out why Bill brought these backup LED lights. The problem is we had no power to here. So what we did is we had a bad ground. This ground comes over here, and there is a relay over there. It's a backup relay. They got it mounted to the frame. And I started looking around. I found that the fuse was blown to the backup lights. So my brain kind of went, okay, we got an issue somewhere. So what I did is I went up underneath the transmission, or on top of the transmission. I checked the resistance of the switch that's on the transmission. We were good there. I tried the old paper clip trick, and it caught the paper clip. You know, the paper clip got red hot. So I said, okay, we have a dead short somewhere. So what I did is I came back down here, and I found the ground side of that relay. The wire was broken to it. Really what it was green crusties in there, and then the wire just fucking vibrates back and forth, and kapow, kapooey, they break. So after we got that, I tried to take apart the backup beeper. That fucker was rusted solid, no fucking good at all. It didn't even work once I put 12-volt power to it. So I said, okay, I have an extra backup beeper. I'll throw that in there. As soon as I cut the green crusties out, our backup lights came on. I said, okay, that's that problem. I got this all wired up, and as soon as I plugged her in, one of these Traveler LEDs fucking let the smoke out. You can smell it. It's pretty nasty. So I called the customer Bill. He didn't answer, but I'll ask him where he got these so he can go get another LED light, or on his way over here he could get one. Everything is very easy. It's not going to take us very long to put that back together. So I should have brought you guys along on the electrical diagnosing type situation there, but you know, I need a full-time camera person is what the fuck I need, just so they can follow me around and I can work. But what I will show you is I'll go turn the key on to the truck, and you will see that this LED light comes on, this comes on, and we have 107 decibel backup beeper. This is all part of, you know, like the fucking state being, you know, so you don't run over anybody and all that type of shit. But we'll take a look at that. I'll show you guys that I got it all fixed up. I got everything heat shrinked, fucking electrical taped. Right here on this connection where I put two, I put liquid electrical tape in there, trying to keep these green crusties out of there. We get a shit ton of them here in, you know, Ohio and all that shit. So let me walk up there and show you that. Alrighty, there is the backup beeper and fucking one light. The reason it wouldn't work when you first plug it in, okay, the reason that it wouldn't work when I first tried it is because we didn't have enough air pressure in the truck. It has a, in the like control box, there's a reverse switch that automatically lifts the lift axles up when it's in reverse, and if it doesn't have 90 psi it won't work. So we got that figured out. Looks like this truck is finished. We just need to get one more LED light. I don't have that, so I'm going to see if he wants to bring one. But other than that, I got his truck fixed. You know, we just got a little bit of parts and all that stuff, no big deal. You know, he's ready to go. That's how you use a mag drill and hook up reverse lights. What you don't do is let the smoke out of one, but fuck it. I don't know why in the hell it did that. What a piece of shit. Probably Chinese fucking lights. But anyway, thanks for watching today, guys. Hope you learned what the mag drill's for and how awesome of a tool that fucking thing is. And what else? Like always, check out the Amazon links in the description. Check out Junkie Shop Time on Instagram, Facebook, Justin Sturgill Trucking on fucking Facebook and all that jazz. Check out my Patreon account if you want to throw in a buck to help support this channel. Helps motivate me make videos. And like always, guys, check out JustinSturgill.USA. That's the store if you want to get the merchandise. Again, it's only for a limited amount of time, and it's a pre-order type system. But, you know, hopefully you guys enjoy the stuff that I made. You know, if the pre-order thing works better than me buying fucking $8,000 worth of fucking shirts and nobody fucking buying them, we'll probably stick with that. But like always, thanks for watching, and I gotta fucking go.